Hi friends. There are very few laptops without bloatware, as the majority of them come with this pre-installed software. The Microsoft Surface brand in particular is clean. That's why our list will include most Microsoft Surface products. Read on to find the laptop options you have if you are looking for the best laptop without bloatware. Microsoft Surface Go. Surface Go is one of the most portable laptops in the market. But despite its small size, it still comes packed with lots of features. It's the perfect system for those who are always on the go. It has a 10-inch 1800x1200 touchscreen display. One good feature it shares with other Surface tablets is the inclusion of a built-in kickstand, which comes in handy for working or watching movies hands-free. This system has a strong battery that lasts for 9 hours. It comes pre-installed with Windows 10 and S mode, which is great if you love Windows apps. At any time, you can decide to switch to the full Windows 10 OS at no cost to you. This will give you more access to the Windows app. But this will also mean you are inviting some apps you wouldn't want on your system, which is exactly what you are running away from in the first place. Another problem is you cannot switch back to the S mode unless you reset the tablet completely. So, it's better to leave it at the S mode if you want to enjoy the laptop without bloatware. It also has a microSD card, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB Type-C port for data transfer, and Surface connector for charging. Although the price may still be a little high compared to other types of laptops, it's one of the cheapest Surface laptops you can get. Surface Go gives you 64 GB of storage and 4 GB RAM, which can be upgradable to 128 GB storage and 8 GB RAM. If you're considering portability when looking for the best laptop without bloatware, we advise you to consider this model. Microsoft Surface Book 2. This is no ordinary laptop. It's the perfect one for professionals who are always dealing with highly intensive tasks. When the Microsoft Surface Book came, it blew people away with its full notebook that can be easily detached from the keyboard and used as a tablet. Surface Book 2 comes with a similar design, but with even better features. This high-end laptop uses the latest processors and motherboards to give users the very best of performance. It's the only Surface laptop with two different screen size options. There is a larger one with 15-inch and 3240x2160 display, while the smaller screen option comes with a 13.5-inch and 3000x2000 resolution display. Both of them have 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB options for storage. It comes with a battery that lasts for up to 17 hours. No, that's not a fluke. On normal use, the battery can take you for 17 hours, allowing you to complete your tasks before needing a recharge. For a system with such power and features, you would expect it to be expensive. It's expensive all right. But if you can afford it, you will enjoy every bit of its features and performance. It comes fully equipped with all types of USB features, including the Type-A and Type-C ports that are usually scarce in some of the laptops. There are two RAM versions, with one offering 8 GB while the other offers 16 GB RAM. This laptop is not the most portable at 4.2 pounds. So, you have to put that into consideration when buying. If money is not an issue and you want the best laptop without bloatware, Surface Book 2 is on top of the list. Microsoft Surface Pro 7. Here is the latest Surface flagship product with top features like its predecessors. This one can be transformed from a laptop to a tablet by rotating the hinges, giving you different options on how to use your system. It's also one of the lightest at £1.70, which makes it portable too. You can easily detach the keyboard to use it as a tablet. The RAM starts from 4 GB, but you can upgrade to 8 GB or even 16 GB if you want. You can have SSD storage options from 128 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB. So, you have enough options regarding how powerful you want the system to be. Of course, each upgrade comes with extra cost, so you have to be prepared. The laptop is manufactured with different processors. The available processors include quad-core i7, quad-core i5, as well as 10th generation Intel i3 processor. Update on the graphics cards is also possible. In terms of connections, it comes with more than enough, including the USB Type-A and Type-C ports. Like other Surface Pro laptops, this one has long battery life. On a full charge, it can take you for up to 10 hours before requiring another charge. Overall, if you want the best laptop without bloatware, we are recommending Surface Pro 7 because of the multiple upgradability options. It gives users open options to choose what they want,